Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a diamond painting finish for you. So this teeny tiny painting that you can see in front of me was one that I created for the August event, which was Rude, Crude and Nude. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip it over so we can have a look and then we'll have a little chat about it. So here she is, my lovely little curvaceous lady getting out of the shower. I'm going to put her sideways. Yeah, okay, just about get her on. But yeah, so she is a partial, but I'm really pleased with her. I think from a distance she reads really, really well. Up close, it is a little bit odd that obviously you don't diamond paint her eyes, and so they reflect the light quite differently to the diamond painted areas, but actually, yeah, I think she looks great. I have just edged her in some black washi tape, and I did seal her because I'm going to hang her in my bathroom. So I thought she needed a little bit of protection against the steam and such. So, but yeah, I'm really pleased. She was super, super cheap. I will pop links and such down in the description, and I'll also pop a link to my original kitting up video, which was done in a live. So yeah, if you didn't know, I do go live on a Wednesday. We do a variety of things, chatting, kitting up, crafting, all sorts. And if there's anything you'd ever like to see in a live, do let me know and I will be happy to try and fit that in for you. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how she turned out. I love this style of artwork, sort of cartoony, voluptuous ladies. Really, really cute. She was an absolute pleasure to work on. It was great, great fun. And yeah, if you're looking for something a little bit different to do, I think these kind of partials are a great way of having a first go at diamond painting. In terms of colours, there is, we've got plenty of leftovers. The quality was really good, but what we don't have is we don't have any DMC numbers for this canvas. So these will be going into my sort of craft bin of diamonds that get used for other things. I could sit and go through and colour match them and work out what DMC they were, but life's too short for that. But yeah, so these are going to end up in future resin projects and the like, and you'll probably see them turn up in other things. But yeah, no worry about running out of anything. And yeah, really, really enjoyable. So this is probably the quickest post review I've ever done. But yeah, thank you to Christopher and the other event hosts for organising this event. It's been great fun to take part in and to just see some different styles of diamond painting than what you might come across every day. Something a little bit more risque, something a little bit naughty, which, why the hell not? Let's live a little dangerously and just have fun. Diamond painting and all crafts and hobbies are supposed to be fun, and it's nice if we can find new ways of adding a bit of fun and jovial lightheartedness to the crafts. So yeah, once again, thanks to Christopher and Co for organising the event. I will link to his channel as well. Please do go and support the other creators in the community. It's really important that we build each other up and help each other out. So that is all from me for today. Just as I say, super, super quick. Let me know, what's your opinion? Do you like this style of artwork? Do you like partials? Would you hang this in your house? Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. and I will see you in the next one. And until then, stay crafty.